celebration does not only saw dignitaries including bishops, reverend fathers, government authorities and members of the Catholic family, but also from other countries in joyous moments as they commune together. According to Father Augustine Beira, CSSP, the event is historic especially for the Catholic Church in Sierra Leone and because of the dedication of the Spiritans that has created room for Sierra Leone to serve in other countries as missionaries. Cutting the tape of the new administrative building, Chief Minister Dr. David Senge appreciated the contribution of the Spirit. The event also saw the presentation of a site development project and plan of the church hostel, all an administrative structure. And that's the end of the news brief, which came to you from the Sierra Leone Broadcasting Corporation television. Stay tuned.
Discover Sierra Leone, a hidden gem of West Africa, where the rhythms of life dance in harmony with the beauty of nature.
Feel the heartbeat of our culture in every beat of the drum, in every step of the dance.
Experience the tranquility of our shores, where each sunrise brings new stories and endless possibilities.
Immerse yourself in the vibrant tapestry of our daily life, where every color tells a tale and every face a friend.
Come, be enchanted by the sights and sounds of Sierra Leone.
A place where your adventure awaits
And memories are made.
We are the national broadcaster, and I am Sulaiman Baba Toure, a reporter and presenter at the SLBC. Your voice, my voice.
From the commercial department, I am Regina Bangura. You are watching SLBC. Your voice, my voice.
I am Jonathan Turner, a reporter for Sierra Leone Broadcasting Corporation, SLBC. As a reporter, I do stories on education, health, politics, and more. Stay glued with SLBC to watch my stories. Your voice, my voice.
Lucian Ganda, producer Weyus, and producer and presenter Christian Editions on TV. This is the SLBC.
I am William Wise, presenter Weyus and also reporter at the SLBC. And this is the SLBC.
I am Salma Taba, television executive producer. I produce programs on both radio and television. I'm a news anchor, a presenter, an announcer on radio. I enjoy what I do because I serve a public service broadcaster. It's a pleasure to work with the SLBC. I am Tilly Koma, Head of News and Current Affairs Unit, Sierra Leone Broadcasting Corporation. Our news hour now covers several segments. We have entertainment, business, weather, sports, ferry schedule, and human interest stories, not forgetting politics. We are doing all that to keep you people posted on what's happening all over the country. Thanks for being with us at SLBC. Keep blue. We are the best.
somebody done so reduce.
Now me man don't put this yagba. Now me let me now host because I no born picking. Me mates they laugh me because I no get speaking. I don't pray to God, say now I no get speaking. I want go the other way for make I go get speaking. I want go worship for make I go get speaking. I go do ya, I dey beg you. Do ya help me for make I go get speaking. This provoking don't really the more than me. Ooh yeah, mama say la. Ooh, mama say la. Ooh, mama say la. Ooh, mama say la.
If you believe Bible and the Holy Quran, let your case give God for make it go fast for you. But no worship sea for make you go get speaking. No worship mountain for make you go get speaking. No worship trees for make you go get speaking. No worship nothing for make you go get speaking. Put your hope and trust to Papa God today. Because Naina the only savior on this land. Mama, do ya left for cry? Now God know why make no give you begin. Now for put your hope and trust to Papa God.
Yeah, mama say la. Ooh, mama say la. Ooh, mama say la. Ooh, mama say la.
So we want begin, God no they give them